Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to cover up a small portion from chemistry, that is polyhalogen compounds. Now this is a small chunk, a small piece from a chapter called Haloalkanes and Haloarenes from the part of textbook of chemistry grade 12 science. So we can see what's coming out of it. Okay, yeah. So I'll just share screen my presentation in a minute. Yes, here you go. Slide two. Yeah. So polyhalogen compounds. Now, what is this polyhalogen compounds? Now, polyhalogen compounds are carbon compounds containing more than one halogen atom. Now, these compounds are useful in industries and agriculture. Now, some of these examples of polyhalogen compounds are dichloromethane, trichloromethane, triiodomethane, tetrachloromethane, freons, and dichlorodiphenyltrichloroethane, that is also known as DDT. Don't worry, I know all these words is a bit hard to pronounce, but it does have another words to make it simple. So the first one is dichloromethane, which is also known as methylene chloride. Now, the use of methylene chloride, wait, before that, we could just look at the formula of methylene chloride. So methylene chloride is CH2Cl2. Okay. So the use of methylene chloride is that it is used as a solvent, a paint remover, a propellant in aerosols, a process solvent in the manufacture of drugs, and a metal cleaning and finishing solvent. Now, its harmful effects are it is like harmful to the human central nervous system. Exposure of lower methane chloride in the air can lead to slightly impaired hearing and vision. Now, exposure of higher methylene chloride in the air causes dizziness, nausea, tingling, and numbness in the fingers and toes. Direct skin contact causes intense burning and mild redness of the skin. Direct eye contact can burn cornea. So this is dichloromethane, also known as methylene chloride. Now its chemical formula is CH2Cl2. The next is trichloromethane, which is also known as, commonly known as chloroform. Its chemical formula is CHCl3. Now, chloroform uses, if I talk about it, it is used as a solvent for fats, alkaloids, iodine, and other substances. It is used in the production of freons refrigerant, that is R22, and it was once also used as, as general anesthetic in surgeries, but now replaced with less toxic anesthetic such as ether. Chloroform's harmful effects are inhaling chloroform, that is, chloroform vapors depresses the central nervous system. So when we inhale chloroform vapors, it actually depresses the central nervous system. Now, breathing about 900 parts per million of chloroform for a short time can cause dizziness, fatigue, and headache. Now, chronic chloroform exposure causes damage to the liver and kidneys, and some people develop sores when the skin is immersed in chloroform. So this is trichloromethane, also known as chloroform. Its chemical formula is CHCl3. The next one is, okay, the same, the one important point is also there for trichloromethane. That is, chloroform is actually stored in dark colored bottles because due to a reason, that is, it gets oxidized in the presence of sunlight to form a poisonous gas called carbonyl chloride, that is also known as phosgene. Its chemical formula is COCl2. That is, this chloroform when acts with oxygen, and if there is life, then it forms what? It forms this phosgene plus HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. So that's the reason it is stored in dark colored bottles instead of any light colored ones. Then the next one is triiodomethane. Now, triiodomethane is also known as iodoform, and iodoform's chemical formula is CHI3. Now, this is used as an antiseptic because it liberates iodine, but due to its unpleasant smell, it has been replaced by other medicines. Now that's it about triiodomethane, nothing else, just one use because it was used as an antiseptic, but because of iodine, but due to unpleasant smell, it has been replaced by other medicines. Next one is tetrachloromethane, that is carbon tetrachloride. Now, carbon tetrachloride, its chemical formula is CCl4, which is, carbon tetrachloride is like known by most of the people. I mean, this CCl4 is like known by everyone. So now what are the use of this carbon tetrachloride is that it is used as a solvent, used in the manufacture of refrigerants and propellants for aerosol cans, as feedstock in the synthesis of chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, and used as cleaning fluid, degreasing agent, spot remover, and fire extinguisher. Now, harmful effects of this tetrachloromethane is that exposure of CCl4 can cause dizziness, nausea, lightheadedness, and vomiting. It can make the heart beat irregular or stop, and it may irritate the eyes on contact, and when it is released into the air, it rises to the atmosphere and depletes the ozone layer. Then the next one is freons. Freons is a new word for you. That is, freons is actually the chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane. So freons is actually the chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane. Now, freons are highly stable, non-toxic, and non-corrosive, easily liquefiable gas. It is an easily liquefiable gas. And freon 12, that is CCl2, F2, is the most common one used in industries, and it is manufactured by Schwarz reaction. Now, uses of freons is in aerosol propellants, refrigeration, and air conditioning. The harmful effects of freons is that in atmosphere, freons initiate radical chain reactions affecting the ozone layer. Then we have dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane, that is DDT. It's better to know this big word as a small 3-letter word than in short form, that is DDT, because to pronounce that for me also it takes time. So yeah, DDT is the best name for it. So DDT was the first chlorinated organic insecticide and effective against mosquitoes, that is malaria, and lice, that is typhus. Now, harmful effects of DDT is that many insects develop resistance to DDT and high toxicity towards fish, not easily metabolized by animals due to high chemical stability and fat solubility, and it is deposited and stored in fatty tissues. So that's all about polyhalogen compounds. There's nothing much to actually study in it. It's just the uses and harmful effects of it. And only one equation is coming. There is this one, CCl3 plus O2. With the help of light, it forms into COCl2. There's 14 plus 2HCl. That's it. Nothing else more important in it. All the maybe for 1 or 2 there is a definitions, and the other rest are like uses and harmful effects, and that's it. Nothing else. So yes. Thank you.